Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore OneDrive files after ransomware protection alerts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore OneDrive files after receiving ransomware protection alerts, begin by logging into your OneDrive account. Open the OneDrive website on your preferred browser. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Select the Recycle Bin option from the menu. In the Recycle Bin, you will see a list of deleted files. Locate the files you wish to restore. You can use the search bar to find specific files if needed. Once you identify the files, check the box next to each one. Click on the Restore button at the top of the page. This will recover your selected files back to their original locations. Next, return to the main OneDrive interface. Look for the version history feature for any mistakenly altered files. Right-click on the file and select Version History from the context menu. A list of previous versions will appear. Choose the version you need to restore. Click on the Restore button to revert to that version. After restoring your files, ensure your antivirus software is updated. Run a scan on your device to identify any potential malware. If ransomware alerts persist, consider resetting your security settings. Go to the Settings option in OneDrive. Find ransomware recovery settings and review them. Make any necessary adjustments to enhance your protection. Regularly backup important files to avoid future data loss. Monitor your OneDrive for any unusual activity continuously. This proactive approach can help mitigate risks in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.